for always being there for not only the actors, but for the industry as a whole.
We really thank you for loving us.
Yes.
And that's what we keep on saying tonight. Stars rock, but fans rule!
Oh yeah!
Now I can truly say that in this industry, you, all of you, each and every one of you here are the boss. Saludo.
So to all of you, congratulations for making Yahoo OMG Awards the most successful one so far. Thank you for your millions of votes. And now it's time to honor each and every one of you.
Alright, so here's to present the Yahoo OMG Fans Club of the Year. Please give it up for Miss Bea Binene and Mr. Tim Yap.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. OMG! Oh my grabe! This is it! The much-awaited result of the Yahoo OMG Fans Club of the Year Award. Pero bago ang lahat, kailangan palakpakan naman natin ang mga taga-Yahoo Philippines. Dahil sa kanila, meron tayong Yahoo OMG Awards. And of course, itong award na ito ay para sa inyong lahat. So palakpakan natin lahat ng mga fans na nandito. That's all of you guys. Come on. Ayan. Okay, this year we have 5 competing fans clubs who have made it to the list of the most loyal, super diehard, and super active celebrity fans club in the country today. Let's find out kung sino-sino sila.
The nominees for Fan Club of the Year are Angels, Angel of Sin Fan Club; Cocoholics, fans of Coco Martin; Giuliano, Catherine, fans of Catherine and Danielle; Popsters, fans of Sarah J.
Wow! And the Yahoo OMG Fans Club of the Year is...
Ayun na.
Pexer! Pexer!
Giuliano!
Asa si Ate Ina?
Oh. Sobrang nakaka-surprise. Kasi, ano nga makikita mo sobrang daming supportive na fan base. Makikita mo sa lahat ng mga idol and yung mga fans nila. And, nakaka-proud lang na makita na yung fan base namin yung nanalo this year. So, maraming mga Julian mo nandito mo.
Wala akong masabi. Wala po. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa tandem namin. And syempre, gusto rin po namin i-share yung award na to sa lahat po ng mga fans clubs na nandito ngayon. So, ayun po, para po sa ating lahat to. At kung hindi po dahil sa inyong lahat, sa mga supporters po, wala po kaming lahat ng mga artista ngayon dito sa kanilalagyan namin. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Tim and Bea, and congratulations to Julie and of course to Elmo and
Yeah, congratulations to the both of you.
And I hope you don't take it too hard because you didn't win the Fan Club of the Year. It's a fun. You surprised.